Drawing a grassy background is easy, if you know what to do. First, we're going to start with a simple green line that goes all the way across the page. It doesn't need to be straight, a few bumps is a good thing. Now we're going to color in the bottom of this page with the same green color we used before. You can just color it normally, but if you have a bucket tool on your app, you can fill it in with one go. Like that. We're going to go back up to the top of your green area and we're going to put some short lines that shoot upward. And I suggest making the lines a bit thicker towards the bottom and thin at the top to make it look like grass. And we're going to go all the way across. Keep adding some lines. Looks good. We want a darker green color for this next step. So let's change the color to a darker green. And if you have a wheel, turn the wheel a bit closer to the blue as well. We are going to draw some sprouts of grass like this. So this grass is connected and there doesn't need to be too much detail. Just add a few more of these to make the area look full but not overwhelming. For this area towards the bottom of the page, we are going to add some individual blades of grass that are bigger. Same thing as before, make the lines thicker towards the bottom and thin at the top. And be sure to overlap them as well, so it looks like you have a field of grass. Now we're going to add color to the top area for a sky. And there you go. You have a very simple grass tutorial. You can always add to it, but this is typically how I draw grass for my art. Feel free to experiment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!